Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS College of Engineering. So today I am here to explain you a concept called as an VC dimension based on the subject called deep learning. Okay, we will see like what is VC dimension is all about. So now the name VC dimension has been bought because of the founders that has been they have been invented this and they have bought this name. So it was introduced by Vladimir and Alexei in 1970s, and it has become one of the most fundamental concepts for the statistical learning theory. Now this VC dimension, it has a set of hypothesis set H, and it has a larger number of points, and that can be shattered by H. Okay, I will explain you what is this H and what is this S and all. In this, a hypothesis set is shattered among the different kinds of points in every possible values, and it has been plotted in different kinds of directions. Okay, now we will see how the plots has been being there. You will be defining the the complete graph as H, and the plots that is being given as S. So any points that has been given, say for example it has been given with 2 data points or 3 data points, it will evaluate it. If it has been given with 2, say for example in this, it will square the value and give the different kinds of axes. The value which has been squared and given will be the different kinds of axis values that has been given. Like say for example, if it is 4 over here, it will give 4 different kinds of axes. If it goes for 6, it will give us 6. Likewise, it differs in different kinds of values. Now it has been given 4 and 2 data points has been given. So based on that, the values will be evaluated. So the green points in this evaluates the correct value, and the red point indicates the wrong value in this. Okay. Now in this VC dimension, it will be taken only 1, 2, 3 values. Okay, it will not go for more than 3 values, and that has been denoted as the maximum number of data points that can be shattered by a straight line in 2 dimension space is 3. Okay, you can take, see in this you can take only 3 points over here. It cannot be taken with any kind of 4 or more values based on this dimension. Why it is because the graphs that has been evaluated will be more high. So in this square value will be given of 4 values, but in this it is 16, right? So it will be evaluated with more kinds of values, so that it is only 1, 2 and 3. Now we have another point called as an axis aligned rectangle. So why this axis aligned rectangle is bought is, you have to plot those different kinds of points in a given axis or a given square. For that it has been given as the axis aligned rectangle in this process. See, say for example, you are giving the true value, that is green value, and you want to plot only that kind of value. You will be denoting it with the rectangular form, that is called as an axis aligned rectangle. Okay, in this the green point evaluates the process, so it has been defined as the axis aligned process in the predefined manner. These two the green points is the true value, so it will rectangle box is given, it will just take that 2 values as the possible values. Next we will see certain applications that is being used in this VC dimension. There are wide range of applications that is associated with this VC dimension. So there are different kinds of applications in the machine learning and also in the statistics. For example, it is being used to analyze the complexity of different kinds of neural networks, and it also supports with the different kinds of SVM and also decision tree. And it also uses some of the new learning algorithms, which is actually robust to noise and can be generalized as well as with some of the unseen data. And it is also extended to some of the more complex learning scenarios, such as multi-class classifications and different kinds of the regression values and all. So this is all about VC dimension, and the complete process is all about, we saw who introduced it and how we will be telling the H and S denotions, and how we have to plot it, and how many number of plots it has to be done, or number of graphs, why we are using the axis aligned rectangle, and we saw how the rectangular process axis is being plotted in different kinds of the points that is being given. We saw different kinds of applications that is associated with the VC dimensions. Okay, so this is all about the VC dimension and the process of how it has been evaluated. So in the next video, I will meet you with some other different kinds of videos with the interesting topics. So as of now, thank you. Have a good day.